Good evening, my fellow infected psychopaths. Today I'll be injecting you with the insanity that is my voice. Let's get started. Good evening, my fellow infected psychopath. Would you believe me if I said it was a bag full of Halloween candy? Relax! It's fake, I think. Hold on, wait. Let me see. Yep, it's fake. To make a fake body, I started by grabbing some black trash bags, and then I stuffed the balls of pieces of paper. The great thing about this method is you don't have to use paper. You can actually use debris from trees like leaves or needles or just anything you can really get your hands on that will make great stuffing. Once the bags were stuffed, I got some string and tied them together. I tied it in the areas where the feet and head would be. Then I shaped it into a body form. Fortunately, the bags I was using were a little too small, so I ended up having to tie and glue 3 trash bags together. Then I ended up stuffing them all with stuffing. I wanted to add some more stuff to my body, so to do that I'm making fake intestines. Everyone has their own method, but my method is getting paper towels, folding them up into some plastic wrap. Then I rolled it up in little latex that I dyed red with red food coloring. If you don't want to use this method, there's actually an even better method. It's a little bit more costly, but it's really good if you want to make fake organs. It's an old video by Backyard FX, which was like this really great YouTube series that was running back in old days. Well, kind of in back in old days where you could get away with sin.
Biohazard Madness, what's your language? My children are around.
Which part was it? Or was it this?
Biohazard Madness.
Sorry. Once the organs went done, I basically cut a hole into your body and just stuck the organs in there with some hot glue. The last thing I did was made some biohazard symbols, which I just got some paper and cut some stencils out. Then I just painted it onto the body. You don't have to add in some organs or even symbols. I just did it because I kind of wanted to. So it would be nice to add some extra details and juicy bits. And that's how you make a fake body. Make sure to tune in next time for my next project, where I finally make the Bastard gun from Metro Exodus. Don't worry guys, I haven't forgot about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit or shoot the notification bell. Until next wait, I have a better idea. Until next time, Happy Halloween!